Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix app crashing problem on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your apps are crashing, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first, if you are facing this issue with any specific app, for example, let's suppose it's Facebook app. If your only Facebook app is crashing, so you just have to update your Facebook app. So open your app store and here you just have to tap on search and you have to search for any specific app, or you can try to open your Apple ID and here you'll find available updates. You can update your apps from here, or if you're facing this issue with all apps, so there's only way you have to open your settings and here go for general, go for software update, and here you have to check if there's any pending software update, or if you have just updated your iOS version and after that you are seeing your issue or app crashing issue after updating your iOS version. So there's only way to downgrade your iOS version, because sometime your phone will not be able to run your iOS version. So you just have to downgrade your iOS version and after that your issue will be fixed. Or you can try to make a force restart your phone. So not do that, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, wait for your phone until it goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until it goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo here. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And after restarting your phone, your issue will be fixed and you will be able to use any app without any crashing issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.